Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of sending out proposals and hearing nothing back? You're not alone. Crafting the perfect business proposal can be a challenge, but today, I'm going to share with you the secret formula to writing proposals that actually close deals. By the end of this video, you'll have the essential strategies to make your proposals stand out and win more clients. And don't forget, after watching, head to the video description below where you'll find valuable resources, templates, and tools to help you take your proposal game to the next level. Let's dive in. You see, most proposals fail because they're either too complicated, too vague, or they focus too much on what the business wants, not what the client needs. So, how do you avoid that? By using a proven formula that speaks directly to your client's needs and gets them to say yes. Here it is, the 4 key elements to every proposal that closes deals. Let's break it down step by step. First, clarity is king. The moment a client looks at your proposal, they should immediately know what you're offering. Be clear, be concise, and don't overcomplicate things. Make it easy for them to see the value of working with you. A headline that communicates the benefit up front and a clear summary are key. Next up, value. This is where you show the client exactly how your solution will benefit them. Is it going to save them time? Boost their revenue? Be specific and back it up with numbers, testimonials, or case studies if possible. The more concrete the value, the more likely they'll say yes. Now, personalization is a game changer. Avoid sending out generic proposals. Address the client by name, reference their specific needs, and show them that you've tailored your proposal specifically to them. People want to feel like you understand their challenges and have a solution that fits perfectly. Finally, always include a strong call to action. Don't leave them hanging or wondering what the next step is. Whether it's scheduling a call, booking a meeting, or signing a contract, make it clear and easy for them to take action right away. And that's the secret formula to writing proposals that close deals. I hope you found these tips helpful and are ready to take your proposals to the next level. Remember, it's all about clarity, value, personalization, and a strong call to action. If you're looking for more resources, templates, or tools to help you craft winning proposals, be sure to check out the video description below. I've linked everything you'll need to continue your journey and make your business proposals even more effective. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more actionable business tips, and drop a comment with any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.